Hi, this is Aaron at Classic Vacuum with a quick video to explain our packages for the R65. We have our standard package for the R65 where you get the machine, just the standard included attachments. So with that, you get the machine and the stand, you'll get the carpet head here on the floor, and then you get these 4 attachments that store in the stand. Includes this dusting / upholstery attachment. Brush slides up and down so you can convert one to the other. Has a large, stiffer bristle dusting brush. There's a medium, soft bristle dusting brush. This is really great for uneven surfaces like brick. Then you have your standard crevice tool, which hides a little secret bonus extension. Next, we have our deluxe package. The deluxe package includes this here pet and upholstery power tool. This is a deluxe tool that comes in our deluxe package. You can buy it separate also. It's a better value in the package. This is for doing upholstery. It has a little motor in here to get your pet hair. It's small and it has it like pivots, so it's good for cleaning uneven surfaces like couch cushions. Then also our deluxe package here at Classic Vacuum includes the ultimate bare floor nozzle. This is good on hard surfaces. It's got this fluffy soft brush to kind of buff your floors as it vacuums, as well as this tool is excellent for large debris pickup, pet food, cereal, stuff of that nature that you normally kind of push along with the standard head. This will gobble up large things in the front, as well as it's very good on pet hair. Lastly, we have our premium package, which is by far the best value. It includes the base that does the second battery charging. This is not standard. The regular base that comes with the unit is not able to charge this second battery here, as well as a second battery. So as you're sweeping with the unit, if you run out of power, you just squeeze these 2 tabs on the side and switch out your battery. This stand will charge both batteries. So if you run them both dead, it'll charge one and then it'll switch over and charge the other, so they'll both be ready to go when you're ready to go. Thanks for watching. That was a quick overview of our packages that we sell here at Classic Vacuum in North Canton and Worcester, Ohio, as well as our website. If you have any questions on the specifics, leave a comment, send us an email, give us a call. Thanks for watching.